You open up your File Explorer and your C drive is completely in the red. Your PC is crawling, you can't install new updates, and you are this close to wasting money on a new hard drive. Stop. Before you spend a single dime, you need to realize that Windows is secretly hoarding gigabytes of useless, invisible junk files deep inside your system folders. Today, we are not downloading any sketchy third-party cleaning apps. I am going to show you the absolute fastest, safest, built-in methods to aggressively deep clean your Windows 10 or 11 machine and reclaim your storage. We are starting with the fastest wins, purging the hidden temporary folders that everyone forgets about. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to pull up the Run dialog box. Type the exact word prefetch and hit Enter. Windows is probably going to throw up a permission warning. Just hit Continue or Yes. You are now staring at a folder packed with tiny files. This is old, preloaded app data that your system no longer needs. Press Ctrl plus A to highlight every single file, and then hit Shift plus Delete to permanently wipe them from your drive, bypassing the recycle bin entirely. You just instantly reclaimed a few hundred megabytes. Let's hit the next target. Press Windows key plus R again. This time, just type temp and hit Enter. Same exact drill. This folder is a graveyard for leftover software installers and random application junk. Press Ctrl plus A, then Shift plus Delete, and hit Yes. These are completely safe to nuke. Now for the big one. Open the Run box one more time, Windows key plus R, and type %temp%, that is the percent sign, the word temp, and another percent sign. Hit Enter. This is the master hidden temporary folder for your user apps. On many of the machines I work on, this folder alone holds multiple gigabytes of dead cache data. Press Ctrl plus A, then Shift plus Delete, and confirm. If Windows throws an error saying a few files are in use, simply check the box that says, "Do this for all current items," and hit Skip. It just means an app running right now needs that specific file. Let it go. Phase 2 is where we unlock the massive storage gains. We are going to force Windows to clean itself using a hidden Pro tool. Press Windows key plus R one last time, type Clean MGR, and hit Enter. Select your main drive, usually your C drive, and click OK. Now, do not just click OK on the first window that pops up. You need to click the shield button that says Clean Up System Files. This unlocks the heavy-duty stuff. Select your C drive again and hit OK. Now look at this new list. Go down and check every single box. You are going to see massive storage hogs here, like Windows Update Cleanup, which can easily take up 10 to 30 gigabytes on an older machine, along with delivery optimization files, temporary internet files, and old thumbnails. Look at the total space you are about to reclaim at the top of the window. Crazy, right? Click OK, then click Delete Files. Grab a coffee because depending on how backed up your system is, it can take 2 to 10 minutes to finish sweeping. Once that window disappears, your PC is officially deep cleaned. Give your computer a quick restart and enjoy all that newly reclaimed space. But listen, getting your storage back is only half the battle. If your PC is still lagging, freezing up, or taking forever to launch basic applications, a full hard drive isn't your only problem. Your operating system is likely choking on corrupted system caches that are actively dragging down your processor and your RAM. Click the video on your screen right now titled Windows 11 Running Slow. Clear these 4 caches now. I am going to walk you through the exact 0BS steps to flush out the 4 worst hidden caches in Windows and instantly snap your PC's speed back to life.